Excel extract substring from string. I am looking for a way to extract a variable length substring from a string. My cells will look something like. I want to split the string at the character, so the cells will become. This should be done with a formula and not script. I am using Excel 2010. Edit. I found that the dataset doesn't always contain the character, meaning there should be no change.
This problem can be broken down into 2 steps. Find the index in the string of your desired split character, in this case, or get the prefix string from the beginning of the original text to the split index. The find and search commands each would return the index of a given needle in a haystack. Find is case sensitive, search is case insensitive and allows wildcards. Given that, we have. Or in this case. Once we have the index, we need the prefix of source underscore cell to do the split. Mid does just that. Putting them both together, we have. With A1 having text of ABC, def gives ABC.
Expanding upon Andrew's answer based on your edit. To find the character string to split at, we are using the find function. If the find fails to locate the string given, it returns a hashtag value ? Error. So we will need to check for this value and use a substitute value instead. To check for any error value including hashtag value, we use the iserror function, thus. That will be true if the find function can't find the string in the A1 cell. So we use that to decide which value to use. That says that if the find command returns an error, use the unmodified A1 cell. Otherwise, do the mid function that Andrew already provided.
Thank you at Andrew Colson for your answer. So just to add to that, if you want everything on the right hand side of the, use this code. Equals mid A1, len B1 plus 3, len A1. Which is. This code is great for if you have an undefined number of characters after the. For instance, if you have
Here is a very simple way to extract the 5th character from the left from a text string in Excel. Suppose the character string aptefige is stored in cell A1 in an Excel spreadsheet, then the following formula produces the 5th character from the left in the string, namely E.
The following formula will remove a substring from text column _1. E.g., if you want to convert .thumb/hello.jpg to thumb/hello.jpg, then use the following formula. Text column _1 equals the column name which you want to change, num _of characters equals number of characters from left side which you want to remove. If you want to remove from right side, then use following.
Everyone saw him. He has his son.